In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can remove a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, click on any of your passwords that you wish to remove and enter your current login method. Then tap on Delete button next to Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!